Hi, so I'm going to show you how to add songs to Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Instagram posts, the main Instagram things here, which is one, again here, the reel, the post, the story. And it's quite simple. We'll show you how you can add songs to all three. Now, as we go here and we click the plus sign, you see you get the option to pick on posts. You have story here and you have reel here. So we're going to follow this progression just to make it quite simple for you. So in this instance, let's say you select your post. We're going to select this post here and you want to add a song to it. Well, cool. You can make your adjustments as you need to, but now we're going to click next and make all your edits. You click next over here. And then you could see it says add music. You go down here and you see where it says add music. Now this can change. You know how Instagram always evolves, but this is a good place to look for that, even if it does change. Then you get to add your music and you get to search maybe for your favorite artists that's for you, or you get to browse. You have all those options there for whatever matches. You get the genres, you get the moods. You know, you could save them, because if you like a song, you can automatically go there, pick it up, and then it comes in here, as you can see, at a 30-second snippet. You could stop it there, and then we click done, and it's in the song, and then you get to write your caption there. So as you can see, it shows the song over here. It shows the title of the song over here. So that's how you could do it. Right? That's how you could do it with your post, because when you share it now, it automatically comes with the music. And anytime you want to make adjustments, let's say there's a part of the song that you actually want in your post to make it bang, to make it pop, or to even make it resonate the way you want it to resonate. Well, guess what? You can make those changes over here. You could pick the exact part of the song that you want. Also, if you want it to be longer, the clip duration, you get the option to go so far ahead, as we can see here, up to 90 seconds. And at that time, it captures 90 seconds of the song. That's just amazing. So that's how, as you can see, we've just added that to the post. Now we're going to go back here and discard, because we just covered how you can add it to a post. Now we're going to do a story. And what is so cool is with your story, you could just take your snapshot, which we'll just do here. Let's just say we take a picture, you know, we take a picture here. Boom. Now we've taken our picture. That's our picture there. As you can see, that's not the background anymore. That's just our picture. Well, now what you want to do, because now we're doing stories, is you want to go to the top over here. As you can see, the top over here, and then you pick your story. And then if you scroll down, you should see music here. And when you tap music, you get the same look and feel again as you did in the posts. As you can see, you get the same look and feel. And here again, you could select that and the song goes there. Now, see, the difference is that in the post, it shows the song as tagged, but in the story, it shows the opportunity to have the artist's picture or the artist's artwork or the icon for the music. And the good thing too is you can go from 15 seconds, from 5 seconds to 15 seconds with your stories, which is kind of cool. And we stop it, and when you click done, it just plays when that story is live for 15 seconds, forever how long. The good thing too is, I believe you can move this all around. You can move it all around wherever you want. And if you're done with it and you go, you know what, I don't like that song, I've just come up with a new song I want, you can just go delete it. So that's how you add your songs to a story. Once you've added that and you click it, it just automatically goes to your story. All right, now we're going to discard again and go back, because now we want to do a reel. Now, many times in many instances, even if you post a video now, it automatically shows up as a reel. And I think Instagram gives you the opportunity for that. But here again, this is sort of similar to the story. But as you can see, the story, you have to take the picture first, and then it takes you to where you get the music from. For the reel, you can automatically just see that you have the opportunity to add the music here. You see audio on top, audio right here. So it's not on top here, it's here. So we pick the audio. And once again, you get the opportunity to pick your artist. So we're going to pick it again and let's see. And as you can see, this does not really give a time frame as the other ones did. It's just 44, you know? And so that's how you can pick it. Now, when we click done here, let's go over here. You get the opportunity to pick the song, take the picture, and as you can see, it's recording to the song. So this is a live thing that's going on. So in this instance, you're just not picking it. You're actually live recording. And next, as you can see, it just plays the song. So that now is a reel. If you're going to share your reels, and then you would share right there. So now let's go back and start over again, because now we've covered all these three, which is your posts. You pick your post, you get to pick your music after you click next over here real quick. You get to add your music from here. That's with posts. Now we're going to go back again just to summarize all this up. You get your story, you take your picture, you get to pick your music from here. Remember that? Let's cancel that again. Go back, discard, and let's go to your reel. And remember, with your reel, you get to pick your audio there. When you put it in, you could do that. And as you hit this button, it starts to record with the music on. Now, as you can see, those are the three ways you can add your songs and your music to Instagram posts, Instagram stories, and Instagram reels. I hope this was helpful. See you next time. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.